The next thing is you don't need fancy equipment, guys. Everybody here probably has an iPhone or an Android of some sort. iPhones, now the iPhone 10 shoots in 4K. That is, it shoots in such high quality video that your iPhone doesn't actually even display that video to you on its actual display. You're not viewing it in 4K. So everybody's phone is capable of shooting 1080p, good enough quality video to put up on a screen. The reason why I say that is please don't go run out and buy fancy equipment like this until you're absolutely certain that you're going to be shooting video on a regular basis. And I'm sorry for anybody who thought they were going to go home and tell their wife that they needed to get a drone, but I'm telling you, no, it doesn't need to happen. Okay? But until you're shooting actual video on a regular basis, there's no need to upgrade your camera. The biggest difference that you're going to see between the two, because yes, this camera might be a 1080p camera, and this one is as well, is what's called the depth of field. So if you've noticed, if you've watched high-end YouTubers, they'll film themselves with higher-end cameras. You'll notice that their face is in focus and behind them is all blurred. That's because of the sensor size in the camera, and I could get into way more detail on that. Basically, the sensor size in your phone camera is much smaller, so when you're filming with it, everything is in focus. But if you notice on a higher-end camera, it's whatever, if it's a person, everything behind them will be blurred. So that's really the only primary difference. And then there is audio. If you're going to spend money on anything, spend money on audio first, then go out and get a nice camera. You can get a lavalier mic or a lapel mic that'll plug into your iPhone for like $20 on Amazon. And it's going to drastically improve your sound. The other thing that I will tell you is we live in Texas. So if you're filming outside, especially in the summer, we've all heard this annoying cicadas that go throughout the day. I'm not even going to attempt to make that sound. If you're outside filming in Texas and you're in front of one of those houses, that sound will be brutal to your audience listening to that video. So always shoot video and do a little test run with it first. Go back and watch it and say, okay, there's way too much noise. I need to move inside. All right. Don't just go film video and then throw it up. All right. But getting like a cheap lavalier mic like that or a lapel mic will save you on that because you can just plug it into your phone. They've even got, you don't have to do a wireless. They have like a 20-foot cable that you can attach to them. And it's going to drastically improve your audio. And the last thing, like I said, is smile. Please smile while shooting your videos. So when you're shooting video, when you're talking in a normal voice, like I'm talking to you guys right now, it seems okay. Once you go on camera and you're talking in a normal voice, it seems really lame and you seem really, really, really boring, okay? So as much as you probably don't want to, you need to be kind of animated when you're on camera. And you don't have to be over the top or anything, but you want to open your eyes wide, smile, and show some emotion, okay? Like you want to engage your audience. If you're smiling, they're going to engage back with that video and they're going to keep watching it through till the end, okay? It's the same thing. I mean, the other powerful thing that I like about, I just realized I'm skipping ahead. So another thing that I really, really like about video is it allows you to connect with someone before you ever meet them. Do you have anybody that you follow on YouTube or any celebrities that you watch? And you're like, if I met this person in real life, you'd probably be like, oh my gosh, I know all about you. And they'd be like, whoa, I have no clue who you are, right? That's what video allows you to do. So for like this open house, for example, that I did that quick short video for, people have already met me. It's a friendly face. They know who's going to be there at that open house. It's not just someone's profile pic, you know, that they took from the 1980s and haven't updated it yet. You know, it's an actual current video, a smiling face, a friendly face, and it's a great thing to do. So I recommend video. Social media is rewarding people highly for video right now. And like I said, it's just a great way to connect with your audience without even ever meeting them. They'll feel like they know you, you know, versus just posting a text post or something like that.
Continued in the next video.